In this video, I'll show you how to write Twitter threads. So a Twitter threads is usually a long note that you can write on Twitter. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. So just open up your Twitter, type on this plus. So if you love to write a Twitter thread that is very long, make sure you watch what I'm going to show you. So you can see right here, there's, okay, I'm going to just type hi. So you can see right here, there's another plus icon. So you can tap on it. So you can be able to adopt different posts as much as possible if you're writing a thread with this option. So you just type in hello. So it's going to come out again, tap on it. Okay. So this is how you can be able to write a very long Twitter thread. So you can see it. So once you have compiled all of it, you now tap on this post all. You're going to be able to post all this thread at once. So I'm going to show you how it's going to appear. So I'm going for it to send. So right now we just wrote our own Twitter thread. So if you love to write a thread, you're going to be able to do this. It's going to work out too. So I'm going to open up this. So this is our thread. So you can see everything is lined up accordingly under it. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe.